Everybody wants to make money fast on Clickbank, but I have found a way that actually works so that you can make money fast within 24 hours promoting Clickbank products. You're going to learn how to make money fast, how to set up this method in just minutes, and you don't even have to show your face for what I'm going to be showing you inside of this video. Inside this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to earn money on Clickbank fast, 2 different products inside of 2 different niches, and completely free traffic, so you don't have to pay for any ads. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I want to invite you to check out the first link inside the description if you want to learn how to start making $3K a month with affiliate marketing. And without further ado, let's jump into today's video. First things first, if you haven't signed up for a free Clickbank account, go ahead and do that on clickbank.com. So all you have to do is just click on start here and then answer all these survey questions, put in your email, and you should be able to sign up for a free Clickbank account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go ahead and click on Affiliate Marketplace. Now we're going to pick out the first product that we're going to be promoting on Clickbank with free traffic to make you the most amount of money fast. So go to the left, scroll down, and then click on Spirituality. Then scroll to the top and click on the Soulmate Sketch. This is going to be the best product to promote inside of this niche. As you can see, the average conversion will make you about $19.84. So go ahead and just click on the Promote button, add your account nickname, click on Create Hop Link, and that's going to be your unique affiliate link, so just go ahead and hit the copy button. Now go ahead and go to bit.ly.com and we're going to create our free bit.ly link. So go ahead and click on the Create button up here at the top, and then copy and paste that link into this box right here. Scroll down and hit on Create. Now we're going to go ahead and just edit our link a little bit to make it look more official. Go ahead and add a title, and then go ahead and change the back half, customize it in whatever way you'd like. I went ahead and just called mine Soulmate Sketch today. Now it's time to get free traffic to our affiliate link on Clickbank. And what we're going to be doing is using TikTok in order to get that free traffic. And we're going to be creating an account just like you see here for Spirituality Diary. As you can see, what they do is they just post the same videos over and over again with different trending sounds. And as you can see here, they got 10.3 million views, 2.6 million views, 127,000, and then 816,000 views here just by the same video with just the same text and just using a different trending sound. And as you can see here, they are promoting the Soulmate Sketch. So if I click on their bit.ly link, it's going to go ahead and open up that secret Soulmate Sketch that we are promoting on Clickbank. So this is exactly what the Soulmate product looks like on Clickbank. You have a video and then you can click on this button saying, yes, I want my soulmate drawing. And as you can remember, they're making probably about $20 for every single time somebody purchases this product using their affiliate link. So what you need to do is find videos just like the ones that they are using on their account. You can usually find these videos on places like Instagram or YouTube, and you can just chop them up into short 7-second clips on TikTok and make videos that way. Make sure to add some kind of text that looks something like this. So this one says something good will happen to you within 2 hours of hearing the sound, save it and use it. That's how they are able to get their videos to go viral, by telling people to save it and use it. And as you can see here, they actually tell people if they want a soulmate sketch, go ahead to the link in their bio, and you know that they're making sales because they had 10 million views here and 2.6 million views there. So they're probably making a good amount of sales from just copying this video over and over again. Now, if you're new to TikTok, you'll realize that you can't put a link inside of your bio until you have 1,000 followers. So what you can do is you can actually tell people to go to your Instagram account and then make sure to have that bit.ly link that we created posted inside of your Instagram bio, and just tell your audience from TikTok to go ahead and go to that link inside of Instagram. Now, if you want to just use the same videos that they are using, you can actually download videos from TikTok really easy. Just go ahead and download an app called TikSave on Android or iPhone, and then you can just easily download any video that you find on TikTok straight to your phone so that you can re-upload those videos to TikTok. Now, here's another account that's doing the exact same thing. So if you find tons of different accounts that are doing the same thing, it means there's a lot of potential to make money inside of this niche on TikTok. So as you can see here, this account's called quotes.manifestation, and they are promoting the same soulmate sketch inside of their bio. And if you see here, they're just creating videos in the background, and then they add some text on top of that video. So it's really easy to create these kind of videos, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. First things first, go ahead and go over to canva.com and then go to the search box here and type in TikTok. And then we want to go ahead and click on create a blank TikTok video. Now we can go to the elements section of Canva, click here, and we can search for something like candles. And then we can click on videos and we can find different videos of candles. So if we want to do this one right here, we can just drag it and drop it, and that's going to be a video of a candle, and we can make this 7 seconds long. So I could drag this over so it's a 7-second video so that we can upload that to TikTok. And now all you have to do is just go back over to the manifestations quote and then find one of their quotes that they used on one of their viral videos. So this one right here was 54,000 views. So you can just see it says, in about 7 to 12 minutes, they will text you, I love you, interact in 3 ways to claim, check, pin, comment. So you can use that text, just add it straight to your video inside of Canva, or you could even add it inside of the TikTok app on your phone. And then what you do is you just promote the link that's inside of your bio inside of the first comment on your TikTok video. So you could easily be making money with this strategy. You can do it just like Spirituality Diary, or you could take the other route and do quotes like quote.manifestation. Now, what if you don't want to promote the soulmate product and you want to promote a product inside of a different niche? Well, then go back over to Clickbank and I'm going to show you another hot product that people are promoting on Clickbank and making money doing it. So go down to the home and garden section, click on that, and then we're going to scroll to the very top and we want to do Ted's Woodworking. So if we click that, it's going to look like this. They give you different wood plans. In fact, they give you 16,000 wood plans, and this is converting really well on TikTok right now. So go back over to the marketplace, and as you can see here, you're making about $60 average conversion per sale. That means every single time you send somebody to the product and they purchase it, you're going to be making about $60 per sale. So go ahead and just click on promote, and we're going to be doing the same thing here. We're going to be adding our nickname, and then we're going to be creating the hop link, and right here this is going to be your unique affiliate link. So go ahead and copy that, head back over to Bitly and create some kind of link that looks like this. I called mine woodworking, and then as you can see here, mine's beginner wood plans, and that's my affiliate link from Clickbank. And as you can see here, here's an account called Woodworking 365, and they are promoting that exact product that I was talking about on Clickbank that has 16,000 blueprints. If I click on this, you'll see that it opens up the product, and it's going to be the exact same one that we are promoting, 16,000 wood plans. So you're going to be using different videos that you find on TikTok and Instagram to create these videos that are promoting that 16,000 wood plans product. And as you can see here, these videos do pretty well. This one had 11,000 here, this one had 10,000 here, this one had 53,000, this one had almost 500,000 views, and it's just a DIY sander video. And as you can see, if you're getting 500,000 views, the odds are a lot of people are going to be coming over to the profile and clicking on this link inside the bio, especially if you tell people to click on the link using the comment section inside of TikTok. And these type of videos are even easier to create. All you're going to do is just be borrowing woodworking videos and then just have some kind of title on that, and it's really easy to put together, and these videos get a lot of views, so you should be making a good amount of money if you promote that affiliate product that I showed you with the 16,000 wood plans. Now, if you want to take your affiliate marketing game on TikTok to the next level, I highly recommend 15-second free leads. It's only $1 to join. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below this video so that you can join this product. This is the same course that I took, learning how to build my affiliate marketing TikTok step by step. And as you can see here, Barry says that he just made a sale after taking this course, and then here's some results after the 7-day challenge. 308,000 views on TikTok. So as you can see here, a lot of people are getting results after they take this 7-day challenge using the 15-second free leads strategy. And if you want more content from me, I create videos all about affiliate marketing and how to make money online. So go ahead and click on the videos that are on the screen now, like this video, and stay tuned for when I release my next video talking all about how to make money online. I will see you guys inside of that next video.